welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and this is the place where I sit and do all my knitting, my crocheting, make my videos and even do my live on a Wednesdays. So welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining my YouTube family, and hello to all my existing subscribers. How are you all doing? I hope you're keeping warm because it is very, very cold at the moment here in the UK. And I have a package for you, and this one is from Blue Fern Yarns, and I want to thank Kirsty and Tracy from Woolen Wishes. They are the ones who introduced me to this company, so thank you girls, thank you so much. And so let's get into the package. It's only a small package, guys. I just wanted to get some more yarn from Blue Fern. Sorry about the crinkle, guys. And you know what I like? It's a paper bag, guys. So let's just empty it out. And I've got three packages. I can't remember what's in them or what I ordered. So I've got a little bag, little polka dot bag. So let's see what's in here. I got a biscotti biscuit. I got a tea bag, and I got some Kenko Smooth instant coffee, and I also got a little thank you card from Blue Fern. Thank you guys, thank you. Thank you. I love them biscuits, guys. Love them. And they give me some useful information. Yarn it washed by hand in cool water with a small amount of wool wash and dry flat. All our yarns are dyed in small batches in a smoke-free but pet-friendly home in Norwich, Norfolk. That's here in the UK. We use professional dyes to create some truly unique colourways, which are then rinsed until they run clear. The colours should not bleed, but it is always a possibility with hand-dyed yarns. And I will put the link to Blue Fern Yarns in the description box below, guys. So that's that. So package number one, and they're wrapped really nice in tissue paper, and they've got a really nice sticker on. So let's get into them and see what I purchased, guys. It's that long ago since I purchased. Oh, look, guys, purples. Amethyst. It's called Amethyst. And it's a DK weight, which is a 3 weight. 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, 225 meters, and it's 100 grams. And so I've got two exactly the same. The purples, all different shades of purples, and these will make a nice hat and cowl set, guys. I've got a pattern from, is it Tracy over at Grocery Girls? I've got one of her patterns, and I think that would look really nice. So that's that one. The second package. Hold on. Oh, I've got 4 of them. I've got 4, guys. Hold on. Maybe, guys, this is not going to be hat and cowl set. It might be a wearable, because as you know, for my challenge for this year is to make at least 6 wearables for myself. So same specs. So we'll see. Shall we see what's in the other pack? You never know, it might be the same. No, it's not. Oops. Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. Now, this is lace. And this year I want to work more with lace as well. This is baby grey alpaca lace, 70% natural light grey baby alpaca and 20% silk and 10% cashmere. There's 800 meters, which is about 880 yards. And look at that, guys. Nice soft grey colour. and I want to do some, I've got a book on Japanese lace, and I want to make myself a wrap using one of the patterns from the Japanese lace books, and I wanted this lace yarn to do that with, and it's really nice soft baby grey, really nice. And then I bought myself a grey, this is one of a kind violet. It's a 3-weight, 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, 225 meters, which is about 240 yards, maybe a bit more. So that's it, guys. What I wanted to do was I wanted to do a sweater with this as a contrast, maybe do some colour work. So let me just get it. So what I thought was, if I did that like that, do you see? I think that would be nice colour work, do a nice colour work, that will just make it pop. I think it really will look really nice. Can you see? What do you think? What do you think, guys? Do you think those two colours will go together and make nice colour work? I just thought about round the yoke, maybe doing some colour work and round the cuffs, or just around the bottom and the cuffs, where you have your cuff and then you do, you know, you're increasing your sleeve, maybe have some colour work there. That's what I thought. So when I said before I was going to make a hat and cowl set, scrub that idea, guys. It's not going to be a hat and cowl set at all. It's going to be a wearable. And that's why I bought it. But it's been that long since I bought it, guys, I forgot until I got the other 4, and then it, you know, when that light bulb comes on and you think, oh no, that's not what I was going to do with it at all. I'm still going to do Tracy's hat and cowl set, but not with these. So yeah, so I am really pleased with the colours that I've got. So what do you think, guys? What would you make? Is there any sweater patterns that you think that that's a 3-weight that I could try? So yeah, Blue Fern, UK company. Love the yarn. I've got some of their yarn already, which I plan to make a sweater with. So yeah, guys, I've got a lot of sweaters to think about, patterns to think about. I've already got one that I've got all the yarn caked up and everything. It's all ready to go, but I don't want to start that until I've finished the one that I'm working on by Twin Setting Pearls, which is called the Sparkling Fountain Sweater. I want to get that finished first before I start the one that I've already got there ready to make a start on. So thank you all so very much for joining me today. I hope all is well. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye for now.